watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video and this video is all about German. German adjectives. Yes, we have come up with 100 German adjectives on the same video for you with a lot of examples, so it's gonna be super duper fun, super duper helpful. Make sure to subscribe German Gyan because every 100 days we are coming up with a German new video. Please stay tuned. Every Wednesday at 12 PM we are coming up with German news. And if you're watching for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi Jain. I am a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush-up classes, like whatever you can think around German. German Gyan provides you everything. So make sure to subscribe German Gyan and let's start the video.
Let's learn 100 German adjectives with their meanings and examples. The first adjective is alt, means old. An example is der Mann ist alt, means the man is old. Neu means new. Ich habe ein neues Auto means I have a new car. Groß means big. Der Hund ist groß means the dog is big. Klein means small. Das Buch ist klein means the book is small. Schön means beautiful. Sie ist schön means she is beautiful. Hässlich means ugly. Der Mann ist hässlich means the man is ugly. Lang means long. Die Straße ist lang means the street is long. Kurz means short. Der Rock ist kurz means the skirt is short. Warm means warm. Es ist warm draußen means it's warm outside. Kalt means cold. Das Wasser ist kalt means the water is cold. Teuer means expensive. Die Tasche ist teuer means the bag is expensive. Billig means cheap. Der Stuhl is billig. The chair is cheap. Leicht means easy or light. For example, das ist eine leichte Aufgabe means that's an easy task. Schwierig means difficult. Die Prüfung war schwierig means the exam was difficult. Schnell means fast. Der Zug ist schnell. The train is fast. Langsam means slow. Der Hund ist langsam means the dog is slow. Laut means loud. Die Musik ist laut means the music is loud. Leise means quiet. Sei bitte leise means please be quiet. Reich means rich. Ist sehr reich means he is very rich. Arm means poor. Die Familie ist arm means the family is poor. Früh means early. Wir sind früh angekommen means we arrived early. Spät means late. Kommt immer spät means he always comes late. Gut means good. Das Essen ist gut means the food is good. Schlecht means bad. Das Wetter ist schlecht means the weather is bad. Freundlich means friendly. Der Lehrer ist sehr freundlich means the teacher is very friendly. Unfreundlich means unfriendly. Die Kellnerin war unfreundlich means the waitress was unfriendly. Hell means bright. Das Zimmer ist sehr hell means the room is very bright. Dunkel means dark. Es ist dunkel draußen means it's dark outside. Sauber means clean. Das Auto ist sauber means the car is clean. Schmutzig means dirty. Deine Hände sind schmutzig means your hands are dirty. Gesund means healthy. Obst ist gesund means fruit is healthy. Krank means sick. Sie ist krank means she is sick. Stark means strong. Der Mann ist stark. The man is strong. Schwach means weak. Das Kind ist schwach means the child is weak. Interessant means interesting. Das Buch ist interessant means the book is interesting. Langweilig means boring. Der Film war langweilig means the movie was boring. Sicher means safe. Der Weg ist sicher means the way is safe. Unsicher means unsafe. Es ist unsicher here means it's unsafe here. Genau means exact. Deine Antwort ist genau. Your answer is exact. Ungefähr means approximately. Der Zug kommt ungefähr 5 Uhr means the train arrives approximately at 5 o'clock. Sympathisch means likable. Sie ist eine sympathische Person means she is a likable person. Unsympathisch means unlikable. Der Chef ist unsympathisch means the boss is unlikable. Arm means poor. Sie lebt in einer armen Gegend means she lives in a poor area. Hoffnungslos means hopeless. Nach der Niederlage fühlte sich hoffnungslos means after the defeat he felt hopeless. Next adjective is spannend means exciting. For example, der Thriller war spannend means the thriller was exciting. Anspruchsvoll means demanding. Die Aufgabe ist sehr anspruchsvoll und erfordert viel Konzentration means the task is very demanding and requires a lot of concentration. Eigen means own. Ich habe mein eigenes Auto means I have my own car. Anders means different. Der Plan ist anders means the plan is different. Normal means normal. Alles ist normal means everything is normal. Besonders means special. Das Geschenk ist besonders means the gift is special. Schüchtern means shy. Das Mädchen ist schüchtern means the girl is shy. Selbstbewusst means confident. Er ist sehr selbstbewusst means he is very confident. Neugierig means curious. Der Junge ist neugierig means the boy is curious. Ruhig means calm. Der Hund ist ruhig. The dog is calm. Aufgeregt means excited. Ich bin aufgeregt means I am excited. Wichtig means important. Das ist eine wichtige Nachricht means that's an important message. Unwichtig means unimportant. Das ist unwichtig means that's unimportant. Creative means creative. Sie ist creative means she is creative. Praktisch means practical. Diese Tasche ist sehr praktisch means this bag is very practical. Kompliziert means complicated. Die Aufgabe ist kompliziert means the task is complicated. Einfach means simple. Die Lösung ist einfach means the solution is simple. Nützlich means useful. Das ist ein nützliches Werkzeug means that's a useful tool. Überflüssig means superfluous. Diese Information ist überflüssig means this information is superfluous. Weich means soft. Das Kissen ist weich means the pillow is soft. Hard means hard. Der Stein ist hard. The stone is hard. Sharp means sharp or spicy. For example, das Messer ist scharf means the knife is sharp. Mild means mild. Das Wetter ist mild means the weather is mild. Süß means sweet. Die Schokolade ist süß means the chocolate is sweet. Bitter means bitter. Der Kaffee ist bitter means the coffee is bitter. Salzig means salty. Das Popcorn is salzig means the popcorn is salty. Sauer means sour. Der Apfel ist sauer means the apple is sour. Wählerisch means picky or selective. Ist sehr wählerisch beim Essen means he is very picky about food. Glücklich means happy. Ich bin sehr glücklich. I am very happy. Traurig means sad. Sie ist traurig means she is sad. Dick means thick or fat. Das Buch ist dick means the book is thick. Dünn means thin. Die Wand ist dünn means the wall is thin. Zuverlässig means reliable or dependable. For example, ich suche eine zuverlässige Babysitterin means I am looking for a reliable babysitter. Rücksichtslos means reckless or inconsiderate. Sein rücksichtsloses Verhalten hat viele Menschen verletzt means his reckless behavior hurt many people. Großzügig means generous. Sie ist bekannt für ihre großzügigen Spenden means she is known for her generous donation. unordentlich means messy. Das Büro ist unordentlich means the office is messy. Selbstbewusst means self-confident. Spricht immer sehr selbstbewusst in Präsentationen means he always speaks very confidently in presentations. Empfindlich means sensitive. Meine Haut ist sehr empfindlich gegenüber Sonne means my skin is very sensitive to the sun. Glatt means smooth. Der Boden ist glatt means the floor is smooth. Rau means rough. For example, die Oberfläche ist rau means the surface is rough. Rau means rough. Die Oberfläche ist rau means the surface is rough. Rund means round. Der Tisch ist rund means the table is round. Eckig means angular. Der Kasten ist eckig means the box is angular. Hoch means high or tall. Der Turm ist hoch means the tower is tall. Niedrig means low. Der Stuhl ist niedrig means the chair is low. Wissbegierig means curious or eager to learn. For example, das Kind ist so wissbegierig, dass es ständig Fragen stellt means the child is so curious that it keeps asking questions. Next adjective is verantwortungsvoll means responsible. For example, ein verantwortungsvoller Umgang mit Ressourcen ist wichtig means a responsible use of resources is important. Unabhängig means independent. Ist sehr unabhängig means he is very independent. Abhängig means dependent. Sie ist von ihm abhängig means she is dependent on him. Leichtgläubig means gullible or naive. For example, ist leichtgläubig und glaubt jede Geschichte, die man ihm erzählt means he is gullible and believes every story he is told. Hilfsbereit means helpful. Sie ist immer hilfsbereit means she is always helpful. Ehrlich means honest. Ist ein ehrlicher Mann means he is an honest man. Unehrlich means dishonest. Das war unehrlich von ihm. That was dishonest of him. Fresh means cheeky. Der Junge ist fresh means the boy is cheeky. Glaubwürdig means credible. Sie ist eine glaubwürdige Quelle means she is a credible source. Unglaubwürdig means incredible. Das ist eine unglaubwürdige Geschichte means that's an incredible story.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful for you. Share this video and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care.